How to report Facebook account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Click on search button at the top right corner of your screen beside messages and plus button. Click on search button and then search the username of the Facebook account you want to report. Click on the Facebook account and you'll find three dots at the right side. Click on three dots. After you click on three dots, click on Report Profile at the top. After you click on Report Profile, you will find all these options pop up. Select a problem. There's many problems, simply select one. After you've selected, press on Done at the bottom. You can also block the profile or hide all from the profile. And then you're good to go. This is how to report Facebook account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.